Alright, Andy here today, and just making an update on my truck. I eradicated the lifter tick, so yeah, and it's really cold this morning. Ugh, man, so this is gonna be a cold start. Prop the gas tank up there. So yeah, should be fun. Ah, burr. Starting to get colder and colder each day. Oh. Alright, I'm just going to set you down here because I need to operate that choke and it's really sticky. Pop on the gas. Come on. Alright. There it is. I noticed no more tick. Ugh. Smoky. So, what I said in my last video was I was going to take the rocker cover off and torque down all the bolts. I did that and it worked. That is awesome. I mean, it still makes a little bit of noise, but that's the valves. I ran it without the rocker cover, and it's all like. I never get tired of that. So there we go. Man, this thing is too quiet. It's bloody cold. I'll put the brakes. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright. Now all I gotta do is fix the lights, put in a fuel line, and make it so it does not overheat whatsoever. And I am going to put that fan in it. I got a new water pump for it. Right here. It is. Brand new water pump. It's nice and pretty. Yeah. So that's cool. Got that. Now I need to track down a thermostat for it. They didn't carry them. They don't carry them for $223 at the parts stores. Oh, and I got some of this engine restore and lubricant. It's supposed to shake it up real good. 6-cylinder formula. I was gonna try that to see if it'd get rid of the lifter tick, but nothing but a good torquing the specs can't fix, you know. So there you go. Another update. And have a good day, and thanks for watching.